Hey folks, today I'm diving into a crucial topic: managing diabetes in a survival situation. Now, let's be clear, this is extremely dangerous and not recommended without professional medical care. But if you're ever caught in the wild, here's what you need to know. First, prioritize carbohydrate control. Focus on low glycemic index foods you can find in nature and steer clear of simple sugars. Knowing the edible plants in your location and their carbohydrate levels can be a lifesaver. Next, increase your physical activity. Exercise naturally lowers blood sugar levels, and in a survival situation, physical activity is often unavoidable. Keep moving. Staying well hydrated is also critical. Dehydration can spike your blood sugar, so drink water whenever you can. Stress management is another key factor. Stress can elevate your blood sugar, so try to stay calm and focused. Easy to say, right? Now, regarding herbs and supplements, some have shown potential for supporting blood sugar control, but their effectiveness isn't consistently proven, and they should never replace your prescribed medications. Dosages for wild plants can be tricky, and many herbs can interact with your medications or have side effects. Accurate plant identification is essential to avoid poisoning. A few important considerations. Without a glucose meter, managing diabetes effectively is very tough. Always wear a medical ID bracelet or necklace and have an emergency plan in place before venturing into the wilderness. To sum it up, diabetes management needs professional care, but relying on herbs and supplements alone is extremely risky. Focus on diet, exercise, and hydration if you're in a survival situation, and prioritize getting to medical help as quickly as possible. Stay safe out there.